What's up, my guys? What's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. So now, today, guys, we are going to trade gold. Don't mind about this BTC, I think it's still going up. Let me check, but our target now um, is to trade, gold. Gold, don't mind this BTC. We already have made this, so we don't have to talk about it. We have to talk about, but either way, you may ask yourself, why did I confirm this entry? Let me just say it without let me just not go without saying, so you may understand. This check above there, that is 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So this 1 hour time frame, as price was dropping down, when it comes here, you can see that it formed double bottom. So at the end here of neckline, price pushed me to go and check into smaller time frames. So from smaller time frames, then I was looking entry point. I was looking for entry point. Once this was where a price left us before it goes up, after breaking this, then it was a time to look for entry point. So it went back and managed to break previous, this was resistance, and at the same time was our neckline. After breaking this, I was waiting for the retest. After testing this, once it comes back, then I have to jump in. After jumping in, as you can see, the price went up with this candle. I don't know where this movement comes back, and when short down here, it's rejected, and from here, check what happened, a big and longer candle. So from there, I hold it until now. So as you can see right now, what is happening, we have this supporter, we have this, and we have this. So which means what price is trying to do is to retest the previous zone, then it can go up. Even if it can manage to break into this, I'm sure that is not gonna break the second one. You can clearly see, according your analysis, or from what I see, I'm confirming this. So now let's just jump on gold, because we are going to trade gold, not a BTC, not BTC. So as you can see, gold is acting as if is selling, is giving us a strong sell. So on your side, what you guys think? What are you thinking about what gold is showing? Yes, gold has been showing a strong movement. From here you can see what it did, but what I'm not sure about is that it's gonna break here. Gold is confusing us. It's pretending to keep on going down, but within a few more hours, gold might go back up without coming down as what we see. So this 10-minute time frame, let's just jump on 4 hours time frame, then we can see clear what we are talking about. Beside my strategy, if you will see what we see here, you can clearly see, I don't know if you see this, guys. I really don't know if you see this. If you see this is showing also double bottom. What do you think? Then after showing our double bottom, here is where our zone is, our neckline is. So the last point of confirming uptrend is there, which means after breaking, after comes back here, you can see this level, price went down and went back. It didn't touch this level, and it comes back down. It didn't come to break the previous roll. It went up. After going up, it didn't also manage to break that level, and it comes back down, and then from there you can see it's created like a triple bottom, like a yeah. So you can see this, after breaking this, there was nothing else was gonna happen instead of going up. After going up, you can see, always, I don't know if always you see what is happening. There is this zone where price comes down and went back to confirm this resistance, is where when price went up, failed to break straight and went back to retest. And after breaking this from 4 hours, we can say that we are doing a retracement before we set another supporter, then we can fly up. I hope you understand this. I hope this is clear, guys. Everyone understand this. We don't have to explain a lot everything and understand this. And then if we are using the mother of all, you can see that 200 moving average have managed to move below the rest of charts and the rest of moving averages. So this is a confirmation of saying that we are gonna go up. If we come down here is where uptrend direction started from, which is here where 200 moving average have made a cross from. You can see that this and this work together. So this was the good confirmation that we are going up no matter what. Once it left this neutral zone, then this always another confirmation. You can see where it happened is exactly where the price comes back and set supporter. So I think everyone understands this, guys. You need to understand that people are here to make money. If you are not making money, you shouldn't blame someone. What you need to do is to learn. Find someone who can teach you how to trade. Either you learn how to trade with price action, or you find someone who has, I know some people doesn't want to give themselves a hard way of learning. That's why most of you likes indicators. So you need to find someone who have working indicators, then he can sit you down and teach you. He or she can sit down you and teach you from bottom, from A to Z. There's guys that if you say sometimes people teach others through online video. Zoom video is doing wonderful job, because I've been using it until now. I'm still using it. Is wonderful to use and to teach someone. But also some people want to learn face to face. You trade live, so they may understand that what you are doing is really, you trade with them, you teach them, and at the same time you trade with them, which means they learn at the same time making money. So to me, I do that, but it's a little bit expensive. It's not everyone who can afford that, because I offer 3 weeks mentorship face to face. We stay together in my own place, in my own house, my own compound. We stay together for 3 weeks. Every day we learn, every day we trade, but it costs $10,000 for 3 good weeks. So I'm not sure if is everyone who can afford it. So now let's just keep on saying what we are saying. So now you can see what we have here is these zones. Now price is coming back down, is coming back down. But from here, this way we are waiting for it to break and understand that it's gonna now keep on going down. But what I see from now is an opportunity of buying gold. It's not selling. Probably it's gonna change. They are going to change idea and push back it down, but it's gonna go up for now. So what I will do myself as a trader who need to grab some cash and probably have some good 7,000 to 8,000 here, even 10, then I close. What I will do is to just go ahead and buy gold. I buy gold with the small as 0.03 cents. I'm using ZAR account. If you didn't check, this is not dollars, it's not euros, it's just ZAR is our currency, South African currency, South African money. So this is small as 200 maybe and $20, as you can see, 4,000 and something, you know. So I used 4,300, which is like $215 was my capital here. So which means I managed to double my account from 200 to 420. So now I'm in good positions, but now I'm going to add more positions of gold. Since I added 467, I will add like 3 more, so I can have 10 positions. So this can push up my account once I reach like let me check. Now I have 8,000, this 4,000. Once I made more 4,000, let's say I have 7,000 to 8k, you know, then here we have like almost 12 or 13,000. Then I will close because my day will be okay. So for now, what I'm going to do is to just pause this video, then we can come back and see what we'll be having on the table. You know, today market doesn't have that big a movement, but if we manage to make some few thousands again here, it will be better. But BTC must stay. I'm not gonna close BTC today. I think if I will close gold. I wait for gold to give me some few pips, some blue ones, then I will just close gold and then we will come back to see what will be happening. So far, what we have here so far is not a big, but we have almost $2.5 per positions, you know. So which means we already have managed to make $25 for now, but I'm sure that we're gonna keep on going on. We are going to make some good cash, then we close our gold and leave BTC running. So let's see you within a few more minutes or 1 hour or after an hour. Yo my people, this Jay again. So as we say that we come back and check what is going on, currently you can see what we have. So 10 positions, each position have 220, which means we have 2,200, which is some called it 2,200, but this is ZAR, not dollars. No, this is completely ZAR, South African currency, not dollars. But as we said that we need some more few dollars so we can reach 12k. Here is almost there. It was there actually, and then something happened that pushed it back. You can see once it went up here before it rejected and come back to start a new candle, it was there. So which means we are already there. We are about to reach our 12k, which is our target. This is what we targeted to make today. So without wasting your time, I can keep you waiting or watching videos until when we reach the target. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just end this video here, cause from 4,000 to 10,000, this is what you should be doing, which means from 40k you can reach 100k, as I am showing you from 4k to 10k. This is the meaning of 40k to 100k. This is the meaning of 100k to 1m. This is easy and possible. If you think you are not able to do this, come to me. I will help you to achieve this dream, because you need to make money in forex, not to see or watch others making it. I'm telling you that 400 must be turned to 1000 easy, and 4k need to be turned 10k, and 40k must reach 100k, then 400 must reach 1m, you know. So which means for m needs to be taken to 10m. We're talking about millions. This is what you should be doing, you know. And I'm sure once you just humble yourself and agree to learn, then you'll be able to do this. This is possible, guys. Unless if you say that there's no trader who make money in the market, no one have ever made money in the market, then we understand that it is impossible. But if we are always making money in front of your eyes, why not you? What you looking yourself down, you looking for yourself down. You need to trust you and feel a confidence, have that confidence in you that you can do it. If you can't do it. Only way you have to pass through is learning, because I can tell you, I can assure you, there's no shortcut in forex. You can do whatever you want, you can go wherever you want, you can use whatever you want, but there's no shortcut. You need to have knowledge, you know, so you may understand what's going on in the market. What are you doing? You taking this trade, you may know the reason behind why am I taking this trade. So you need to have an explanation why you are taking the trades, why you have that confidence of buying gold or selling gold. You need to have something behind your selling or your buying. That's what they call knowledge. If you don't have this, then you will always donate to the brokers. Nothing you get from market. So if you don't want to donate to the brokers, then what you need to do is to learn. I'm always telling you that you need to find a mentor. There is mentors around you. There's online mentors. One of the mentors that you can trust, follow them, ask them to teach you exactly what they're gonna ask you is money, which is what you are scared about to pay. You are scared of paying the price of learning. That's why you will never make money in the forex. But if you are able to let the price go, then you will get knowledge, which is gonna turn you a millionaire in future, you know. This is gonna give you a freedom, financial freedom. You know, you won't work for anyone. You won't work for anyone's time. You work whenever you want on your time, when you feel so. Just because you know that you have become free men or free women after learning how to trade for your own. So my people, you can see we are almost there, on 600 left for us to reach 12k. But now what I can do now, I'm just gonna close this. I can just close gold and then just keep BTC, because I want to hold BTC for more few days, and I'm sure BTC is gonna go far, as we spoke about, you know. Yeah, as we spoke about. There's a guy who Mr. but I don't know if it's good to mention your name. As I said, I will repeat this again. Myself, I can teach you through online, but face to face of 3 weeks training cost $10K. This is the money that I charge for 3 good weeks to train you, to mentor you, and we'll be together. We'll be doing everything together from morning until we just close our trades for 3 good weeks. And the best of it is that we trade together. You need to have a real account. Any amount that we have to trade together and make some money. So which means you will be learning and making money at the same times, but this will cost you $10K. It's too much money. It sounds too much money, but according to what you'll be getting as a knowledge, and you will have to be gaining some money because you will be trading a real account. You will be trading what I trade, you will be making money together. How much I made, it will be depend on your account balance, you know. What I'm saying is that, for example, I have $2,000 account and you have our $500 account. Obviously we won't make the same money because we won't use the same lot size, you know, but at least if I manage to make to double my account, you'll be able also to double account and reach 1,000, or you'll be able to make minimum of 300, so you can sleep on 800. The following day you can look for another opportunity. This is simple and easy. I hope guys you understand this. So now what I was telling you is that we are waiting for more few bucks to reach our 12K because that is our target. But that is nothing. We can stay close with this 300 and something. Oh, my phone is I didn't charge my phone. You can see it's on 5%. I will put it on charge after closing this. Let me just start by closing this gold, and then I will just leave BTC only. So I'm gonna keep BTC from today till when it's gonna reach my target as well. So I think my internet also is not stable. Let me check what is going on, but what you need to know is that I'm gonna close only gold and leave BTC. So see you guys. I love you all.